In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the canvas size in CapCut on your PC. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, import your video. Click on import. Drag it to the timeline like this. From here, click on ratio. Choose 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, and 1:1 for Instagram, and more. Click on the one that fits your needs. After changing the canvas size, make sure to resize or reposition your video clips so they fit properly within the new frame. Just like this. And there you go, that's how you can change the canvas size in CapCut. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more editing tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.